If you want your brand to be instantly recognized, you need more than just a logo. The truth is that if you want to stand out, you need a full and consistent visual identity. Hi, I'm Paula, brand strategist and designer. Welcome to the third part of my brand design process. Today's video is all about building a visual identity. In the previous video, you saw how to create a mood board and a brand personality. That is the foundation when designing a visual identity. You need a clear reason before designing anything. Design is problem solving and communication, not just decoration. When choosing typefaces, there are a few elements that you must keep in mind. First one is readability. You want your customer to be able to understand your message. Then, you need to consider the media where your text will appear. Will the text be printed, shown on media, or both? Sans serif fonts, for example, are considered easier to read at smaller sizes on screen. Finally, a font has tone and emotion. Its personality needs to match the overall brand. For example, using a playful font for an investment company, it will reduce its trust. Let's choose a typography for ONDA. From the research, we know that the biggest problem for people with textured hair is confusion. They don't understand their hair and the products they are buying. So the main feeling ONDA has to create is trust. For headings, it's needed a serif that carries confidence, authority, and trust. For body text, a sans serif, modern and easy to read. ONDA will be present both online and in real life. All typefaces must adapt to both print, advertising and packaging, but also digital, website and social media posts. This is the one for headings and this is the one for body text. In the previous video, we established that the best option for ONDA is a wordmark. A symbol only works when the customers already associate it with a brand. Without that, it doesn't communicate to stranger, it's just a shape. A wordmark uses language, and for a new brand with zero awareness, it's the best option. The name is strong and full of meaning. Before going into Illustrator, I'm looking for fonts from where to build the logo. I want to do the word association first. In Latin languages, ONDA means wave. From there, we can extract the words that can visually represent the logo. I'm thinking of curl, flow, movement, fluid, a loop, curves, arch. This already gives me a clear direction and I can see how the logo should look. Before you start designing, ask yourself, what's the single idea that this logo needs to hold? For ONDA, it's flow, because it means wave, because it's made for texture people, and because texture hair moves. Now let's build the logo. I found some options that represent the flow and movement idea. First, I tried to write them in lowercase and then uppercase to see how they look and which one would work better for this brand. Now I will choose the best three and then the single one that would best represent the brand. I like the N from these two options, but I feel like the A of the last one. I will try to create a combination of all these three, with the N from these two, A from here, and a last round O. Let's explore some ideas and then we'll see. After a long exploration process, I have the final version. For now it's black and white, but we will jump to color soon. Always start designing in black and white, because if it looks good like this, it will work in colors as well. There is the flow and movement idea in the N, but also in the A. It's uppercase, so it expresses authority. I think this is a great option for this brand. When choosing a color palette, there are a few important things that you need to keep in mind. First one, it's the feeling and the personality of the brand. Second, the industry and the competitors. You want to look different from your competitors, but you still need to represent the industry. You don't want to confuse your customers. For example, if you are a vegan brand or you have the environment, you need to use some green. If you used red, you will look different, but you will confuse your customers. In the mood board, we already identified a few colors. The main color has to be this navy blue because it communicates authority and trust. The secondary is the light, slightly desaturated one. This is how ONDA communicates its clinical ingredients. This shade has also a calm feeling, which works great in this context. The primary color will be used mostly on the logo and probably on text. The secondary one works perfect as a background in packaging design. The contrast between these two is really good. You can check the contrast in online tools. But what I like to do is select the colors, go to Edit, Edit Colors, Convert to Grayscale. If you can see the colors well when they are close to each other, this means the contrast is good. If the shades of gray are too close, you might want to adjust your colors. Then we need accent colors. ONDA products are hair type specific. This means that every type should have its shade. This will help the customers choose the right products for them just by looking at the color. This one is for coils and this one is for curls. Finally, we need one for the waves. Let's try a greenish blue. In this way, all three shades are different enough and they can communicate the hair type well. Okay, now we have the logo, the typography, and the color palette. Let's move to packaging. Because ONDA is subscription-based, the unboxing is a really important moment for the customer. It's an opportunity for the brand to do something different. I'm thinking of designing a delivery box that uses the exact ONDA colors and maybe a curl wave pattern. The pattern needs to feel like an extension of the logo. The curls, the waves, and the coils, they all need to come from the same visual language like the N in the logo. What a lot of designers ignore when designing, it's the barcode of the bottle or bag. I know you might think that a barcode can be designed or that people won't look there. Well, the barcode can be an opportunity to do something memorable. You don't see a lot of products with unique design there. For ONDA, I will make each line of the barcode a hair. In this way, when people are using the products, they will notice these details and they will spend a few extra seconds looking at the product. In this way, you will create something that people will pay attention to and they will keep it in mind. I will draw some waves, curls and coils that I will use for the bottle designs, but also for the pattern of the box. For the bottles, the design followed a clear hierarchy. The ONDA watermark is the first thing you see. Below it's the product name, then the hair type, color-coded, so the customers know instantly which one is the right for them. This is why packaging matters. Every touch point is a conversation between the brand and the customer. The box, it's not just a box, it's the first physical moment with ONDA. I will add everything into mockups in Photoshop to see how it will look in real life. Now that the full visual identity is designed, meet ONDA. If you watched all 3 videos, you saw the whole process. You saw how to listen to customers, how to conduct research, and how to build a brand strategy. You also saw how to create a mood board and a brand personality that directs the visual identity. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video.